Well, here we are, Julie, 10 Hassall Street in Corinda, built in 2008, beautifully presented and still as new. We have 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 of them on the lower level featuring the master, which is a great big walk-in robe, double ensuite. 3rd bedroom upstairs, essentially like a second master. It's got its own bathroom, study, and perfect for that teenager that just wants their own privacy. You know what, Julie? My favourite has to be the beautiful high ceilings. The open plan kitchen, Caesar stone bench tops, Miele appliances, gas cooktop. You've got polished timber floors throughout and the bifold doors that lead out to the north-facing private deck, which is just ideal for entertaining and catching those lovely afternoon breezes. This is a lovely spot. Tell us about the location, Julie.
Yeah, Chris, it really is a fantastic location. We're right in the heart of Corinda. We're only 10 kilometres away from the city. We have St Aidan's and St Joseph's schools close by, which are always very popular, and of course Corinda Primary and Corinda High School are close by too. Chris, I'm really looking forward to showing people through this house. It really is a lovely, beautiful home.